pick a visual checkpoint as my first one. Some people do top of climb, which I'm not a big fan of because that's not a visual, there's no actual point. That's just when you leveled off at your altitude. You could be going 180 degrees the wrong direction. You're still going to hit your top of climb at some point. So it doesn't really help you with the navigation, the pilotage side. So I like to pick a visual checkpoint, and I just kind of ignore that top of climb checkpoint that a lot of people like to include. But it's your discretion. Okay, we're coming up on our first checkpoint here, and we're going to go look at the time. I wrote down that we took off at 2:22, but then we also did a back taxi and turned around and then took off. So I would probably take off a couple of minutes for that. So, but we have a reference time of 2:22. So I'm going to say 2:24, and we've got 2:32, and we've still got about 30 seconds or minutes to go. So it's going to come out to about 9 minutes. I said about 9.5 minutes to that first checkpoint, 9.5. An examiner wants to kind of see you compare that, and maybe your time came out a little quicker, or maybe it came out a little slower, and you can just kind of justify why, or kind of maybe say maybe the winds are a little stronger, maybe you had to fly a pattern, that whatever caused that time to be a little bit off. And then learning moving forward, you know, if you notice a consistent trend of you're always 2 minutes late, maybe add 2 minutes to your flight plan for planning purposes, or figure out what's going on. So, okay, once you get to that first checkpoint, you kind of shown them that, they're going to have you divert. So there's going to be several things that can cause a diversion.